Congratulations, Chinatown. Welcome to your station.
After decades in the making, the new Central Subway is now open to the public, offering a weekend-only limited shuttle running from 8 a.m. to midnight. Starting next year on January 7th, the route of the current Metro T line will be extended to 4 new stations, giving direct connections from neighborhoods like Bayview and Visitation Valley to Soma, Union Square, and Chinatown. Muni first introduced the project in 2010. It has since come across compromises and delays that would lead to a 4-year push back from its original opening date and a $1.95 billion budget, which was $375 million over what was expected. Many are looking forward to how the new transit system will help local businesses in the Chinatown community.
Well, I have a business in North Beach, and so this station is the beginning of a game change for us in terms of access to North Beach for the rest of San Francisco on public transportation. So I'm very excited about how much easier it's going to make it for my audience to come to our show.
The new stop spans at 1.7 miles, beginning at 4th and Brannan, then stopping at Moscone Center, Union Square and Market Street, and ending at Chinatown. The Central Subway aims to improve transportation to and from some of the city's busiest areas. It will also help save more time when traveling from different parts of the Bay Area into densely populated areas like Chinatown.
It saves 15 to 20 minutes in order to get to jobs in Mission Bay from Chinatown, or from Viz Valley all the way up the T3 line to Chinatown.
Even though this is a historic moment for the Chinatown community, some have criticized the project for not expanding the stations even farther. Despite these concerns, people remain optimistic for the subway and what it holds for the future.
I'm not an impatient person. I understand that things unfold over time, and incremental progress is still progress, but it's a beginning, and beginnings matter.
There's no question this new subway will benefit the Chinatown community. But there's one question that remains. Will the costs outweigh the benefits and what we get for it? Only time will tell. Hopefully, this is just the beginning of something much bigger. Reporting from San Francisco's Chinatown, Nasu Nguyen, State of Events.